Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Briana here, and today's video is basically gonna be me showing you guys how I do my frontals, how I applied this frontal, and how I styled it and what I did to it. Disclaimer, I am not a hairstylist. For the most part, I did good, but if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Alright guys, I did this side. Now I'm about to do the other side. I'm sorry for the angle if it's weird, I don't like it. It took me a very long time to actually plop this camera properly in my bathroom. If you know the last video, I had that problem as well. But I'm going to show you guys what I use in my hair as I'm braiding. So I use Jamaican black castor oil. It's almost done. I just detangle my hair, my combs. This is what I use for my scalp. It's a Indian hair and scalp treatment. It's actually really good. It smells so good. Yeah, it smells really good. So I'm about to just continue braiding my hair, and y'all gonna see the process of that. If you see me looking this way, it's because the mirror is over here and I'm kind of like turned this way because of the camera. But you guys understand. Alright guys, so now this is what it looks like. I know it's not, you know, the best, but your girl braided it. Okay guys, so this is the wig cap that I'm using. This is the lightest wig cap there is. You get this at the beauty supply store. I think I'm gonna tie the back of my hair. So to pull back my edges, I just use beeswax. I don't use too much because I need my edges, so. Then you go in with the wig cap. Okay. I just have to push back my baby hairs because obviously they came back up after I done put them down. So for this step, you're gonna need a blow dryer. Alright guys, so now what you're gonna do after it's dry, like completely dry, this is how it's supposed to look. Completely dry, you can't see it at all. I'm gonna take scissors, like, you know, any type of scissors. I'm gonna cut by my ear first and then move my way to where I want to do it. I try my best, honestly, to get it like to where you can't see it, but you could see it. Anyways, you're gonna get some alcohol and you're gonna put it on a pad. You're just gonna rub off any excess glue. All right, so I think I did it enough. So I got the wig. As you guys can see, the person who did my hair, like who installed this hair before the first time around, bleached the knots. So as y'all can see, I'm very light skinned, so that's why I put a lot of the powder, and I'm gonna put a lot of the powder on the lace as well. I tried my best. Alright, so I'm about to apply the wig. I look crazy, I know. I just really hope I put this wig on properly. Like, if you're trying to look cute tomorrow, I don't have time for this. Basically what I'm doing is just pulling the hair back from in the front because I'm trying to see everything. This is Ghost Bond glue, and so I'm gonna just take the wig off. I'm gonna use this to, I'm gonna just show you. I'm only doing 2 coats for this. I don't want to do a little too much. I really love my edges, but I'm gonna put a little bit more on this last coat. I'm gonna blow dry it just a little bit. Alright, so I just waited until it got clear. It's still sticky though. Still sticky. But now we're gonna put the wig on. Okay. Alright you guys, I know I look crazy and all. Basically, I just put the wig on. Now I just parted it to the middle because that's the style I'm doing, to the middle. As you guys can see, it's not my skin complexion. We're gonna work something out. I'm about to hot comb the top, but this wig is really long. I'm gonna tell you guys where it's from. This wig is from alipearl, not on AliExpress, but this hair is really good. It's really thick. Alright, I'm about to put some mousse to flatten this thing down. Okay, we're coming together a little bit. Alright guys, so my camera died and I have to do it on my phone now. I'm sorry again for the bad angle. you guys. So I try my best to get it to my color or whatever. And honestly, it doesn't look that bad, especially in person. It doesn't look bad. I'm just about to put a little bit of oil at the ends. I just finished putting my mousse on the top, but I'm gonna put some oil. Just like 3 drops. I was gonna flat iron it, but I felt like, I don't know, I like this curly look, and I feel like flat ironing it. It's hot out. It might just get frizzy and stuff like that. I don't have time for that. So I'm gonna just leave it. This is how it looks when it's wet. It's long, baby. This is how it looks. How long? It looked good from afar, you know, but it don't look bad. I try my best. It looks good. It looks okay. All these products that I've got are from the beauty supply store. So if you were wondering where I got them from, they're all from the beauty supply store. You can get them. It's not expensive. It's affordable. So get into it. Follow me on Instagram. Add me on Snapchat. You know, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your bell notification on so every single time I do post, you guys will get notified. And yeah, keep subscribing. Join the club. Join the club. Join the club. But okay, guys. Bye, my lovelies.